Are you interested in becoming a professional programmer? Are you unsure of where to start and which languages to learn? If so, the Become a Professional Programmer course bundle is perfect for you. We've done all the hard work for you by putting together a massive course bundle that includes training on all the popular programming languages used in the real world today. Learn them all, or just learn the languages you want. So, what exactly will you learn in the Become a Professional Programmer course bundle? You'll learn popular and widely used programming languages like Python and Java. You'll learn new and trending languages like Swift and Google Go. You'll also learn web design and development languages like HTML5 and CSS3, and how to use Python and Ruby on Rails in web development. As if that weren't enough, you'll also learn long-used languages like Perl and C++ to round out your programming training. Whether you want to find a job in programming, start your own business, or just want to learn to program as a hobby, this course bundle is exactly what you need. You won't find any online training course that covers so many programming languages anywhere on the web. If you're serious about becoming a professional programmer, don't wait. Get this course bundle today.